Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, For Whom the Ball Rolls, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Dogman behind the refined sophistication.
Yo, Scoobies, it's your old pals George and Harold. Sup? As you might have heard, we're super mature now, and deep. We even got an award for being so cultured. Check it out.
Our next award is for maturity. Thank you. Sit down, Melvin. This award isn't for you.
It isn't?
No, it's for George and Harold, because they made this beautiful, profound book, Ice Women Diary, A Witch's Tin Key. What's so funny?
You just said Ice Women Diarrhea, which is stinking.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Ice Women Diary. Ice Women Diary.
Now that we are award winners, we often get chased by our admirers, but we love our fans, which is why we work tirelessly to create this all-new Dogman graphic novel. Let's review our story thus far, shall we?
Our story thus far, by award-winning author George Beard, illustrated by award-winning illustrator Harold Hutchins. Once there was a cop and a police dog who got hurt in a big explosion. They were rushed to the hospital where the doctor had sad news.
Boo-hoo! Sorry, cop dude, but your head is dying. Woo! And your body is dying too, doggy. What can I do?
Let's sew the dog's head onto the cop's body.
Okay. And so, an all-new hero was unleashed.
Hooray for Dogman!
Dogman has three awesome friends. Zuzu, world's greatest poodle. Sarah Hatoff, world's greatest reporter. Chief, world's greatest chief. But there are complications. Petey, world's most morally conflicted cat. One time, Petey tried to make an evil clone of himself, but he got a good-hearted son instead.
What?
Papa?
Li'l Petey, world's greatest kitten. Petey tried to make his son become evil, but the power of good was stronger. I'm afraid I can't be good. I've been so bad in the past.
It's not about who we've been, Papa. It's about who we can become.
If Petey is going to be a good guy, he'd better hurry it up, because 3 new villains just arrived. Piggy, boss of the fleas. Bub, flunky number 1. Crunky, flunky number 2. Recently, they got shrunk to the size of actual fleas, and they could be hiding anywhere. Fortunately, Li'l Petey has been living with Dogman while his papa is in cat jail. They share their home with a robot named ADHD. Together, the 3 friends have become a family. A family who fights the forces of badness. What could possibly go wrong? Chapter 1. Rise of the Planet of the Cats.
Petey! Petey! Petey, wake up! You're on TV! Come on, you gotta see it!
Last night's tragedy was nearly averted thanks to the Supa Buddies. But the biggest surprise of the night was the heroic bravery of Petey the Cat.
Huh?
Check him out, and he saves his kids from the raging fire.
I'm so proud of you, Petey! You're a hero!
Cut it out, Big Jim! Heroes don't snuggle!
Sorry, Petey!
In related news, 7 dog fugitives also saved the guy. The governor was so impressed, he pardoned them. Now all 7 dogs are free. Isn't that nice?
Gee, that is nice!
What's nice about it? Those dogs got set free, but I'm still locked up! Where's my pardon? Yeah,
Petey's right!
why did dogs get special treatment?
I'm hungry!
I say we unite, and together we shall rise up and overthrow this dog-centric society!
Ready, Petey! Begin the revolution!
Meanwhile...
Stop, thief!
No way!
Wait up! It's no use, Dogman. I can't run anymore. You'll have to catch the bad guy on your own.
Whoa! Okay, I give up. But before you take me to jail, I've got something for you. It's here inside my shirt. Oh! What's this? What is it? Is it a ball? Is it a Bolly Wally? Who wants a ball? Does Doggy Wuggy want a Bolly Wally? Who wants a ball? Doggy wants a ball? Get the ball! Get it! Wants a ball? Flipporama. Ready? Who wants a Bolly Wally? Buzzer wants a Bolly Wall? Who's a good doggy wants a Bolly Wally? Are you ready? Let's roll! Meanwhile, oh boy, this is gonna be great! Dogman's gonna catch the crook all by himself. Now everybody will know what an awesome copy is. Now they'll know. Now they'll... Oh! Oh! What is wrong with you? That's the third time this week. A bad guy rolls a ball, you chase it, and he gets away. Oh! Go home, Dogman! Chapter 2. Behavioral Modification Therapy.
Ding me! Oh, hi, Dogman. What's wrong? Did another bad guy escape because he got distracted? Was it a ball or a squirrel this time? Come on, ADHD. We gotta help Dogman.
And so...
Okay, Dogman. ADHD and I are going to teach you to focus. We'll use these flashcards we made. Every time you stay focused, you get a treat. But if you mess up, there's a penalty. You'll have to take a bath. I know you hate baths, Dogman, but don't worry. You'll learn quickly. Okay, let's start with an easy one. Okay, good. Now focus. 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 Let's try again. This might be a hard one. No, Dogman! Petey's my papa, remember? He's a good guy. You have to give him a chance. That's better. Okay, now it's time to focus. 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 Focus.
But then... And so... And later... And after that... And so on, and so on, and so on. Flipporama. Ready? The good... The bad... And the sudsy. Much later.
This is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. But we can't give up, Dogman. We always gotta keep trying.
And so... Chapter 3. To heck with the planet of the cats. Meanwhile, my fellow felines, no animal has more liberty than the cat. The cat is the best anarchist. Yeah, we agree. What's an anarchist? Beats me. But we have buried our mess for too long. We must unite. We must show liberty. I'm tired of being so tiny.
Me too.
Stop that whining! But Piggy, ever since we joined the fleas, it's been one disaster after another. And now we're so small, we can fit on a cat's whisker. What's your point? Let's quit. I'm hungry.
Me too.
We can't quit now. I've got a new plan. If we can reach Petey's ear, I can hypnotize him. Then we can mold him into whatever we desire. How about a pizza?
Or a cheeseburger.
Or a big bag of miniature marshmallows.
Or a chocolate cupcake with sprinkles.
You can't blow the cat into a chocolate cupcake with sprinkles.
We can try.
No, you can't.
Can't do.
Cannot. We must overthrow the status quo. And furthermore, we must stick together. It's all for me.
And for you.
Hey, Petey, can Guess what? What? The governor just called. You've been pardoned. Seriously? Yep, you're a free cat. Awesome! Well, so long, fellas. But Petey, what about liberty? What about the revolution? What about sticking together to overthrow the status quo? Yeah, good luck with that. Bye-bye, Petey. We'll miss you. Yeah, I know.
Petey! Oh, Petey, I'm so happy for you.
Let go of me, Big Jim! What did I tell you about snuggling?
Sorry, Petey. Bye, Petey. Have fun with your new life. Good luck. I'll miss you. What happened?
I think we switched cats.
No!
Chapter 4. Papa Knows Best. And so... Guess who just got...
No, Dawson! Petey's my papa, remember?
Not the mouse!
Good boy, Dawson! You learned to focus!
Get off of me now!
Hi, Papa! Did you escape from jail again?
Nope. The governor gave me a pardon.
Sweet!
And now that I'm a free cat, you get to come and live with me. Isn't that great? Well, isn't it?
But Papa, what about Dogman and ADHD?
Oh, don't worry about them. They have each other. And now, we have each other too.
Oh.
So come on, let's go. Let go of my leg! Look, I appreciate your help while I was in jail, but I'm free now. This is my kid. He needs to be with me. You're gonna have to let him go. You do want to live with me, don't you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Well, you don't seem too happy about it.
Can Dogman and ADHD come and live with us?
No, they can't. It's just gonna be you and me from now on. We're gonna build cool giant robots and do all kinds of fun stuff together.
Can I still play with Dogman and ADHD and Sarah and Zuzu and...
Yeah, you can still play with those guys if you want.
Okay, I'm happy. Hey, Papa, look at the green flowers.
Those aren't flowers. Those are weeds.
Oh. Hey, Papa, look at the pretty river.
That river isn't pretty. It's polluted.
Oh. Hey, Papa, look at all of the twinkly stars.
Hey, watch where you're stepping. There's mud everywhere.
Oh.
Do you know what your problem is?
What, Papa?
You've been living with those two knuckleheads for so long that you think the whole world is just rainbows and unicorns and lollipops.
Yay, lollipops!
But it's time you woke up and faced the truth. You need a good dose of reality. Chapter 5. A good dose of reality. Soon. So this is the room where we'll build our robots, and our bedrooms are up here. This is my room, and this is yours.
I'm not sleeping in there. I'm sleeping with you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
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 No, you're not. Ugh. You're sleeping in here, and that's final! Ugh. Okay, chapter 1.
No, I'm not.
Alright, fine! If you were going to act like that, then no bedtime story for you! But then...
Hey, Papa, how come Dogman and ADHD can't live with us?
Because they can't.
Why?
Because it just wouldn't work out.
Why?
Because I'm smart and they're a couple of boneheads.
Why?
Would you cut that out?
Why?
Because we're having a serious conversation.
Why?
I don't know. You started it.
Why?
Because you don't realize how good you've got it.
Why?
Because you have a papa who loves you.
You do?
Well, duh! Look, kid, I'm trying to be good to you. I want to give you what I never had. When I was a kid, my papa didn't care about me at all. He took off and left my mom and me all alone.
He did?
Yup, and I never saw him again.
Hey, I know. Let's find him.
Are you crazy? I never want to see that guy again.
But maybe he's sorry, Papa. Maybe he changed.
Look, I know you think everybody is a good guy deep down inside, but that's just not reality. The real world is filled with losers and bullies. The real world is a horrible place. It's mostly misery and selfishness out there. That's reality. I'm sorry, kid. I'm just trying to protect you. Now go to sleep.
Good night, Papa. Good night, Dogman and ADHD!
What's the big idea? I thought I told you guys to let go.
Hi, fellas!
You get back into bed right now. Alright, listen up, you two. Maybe we can work something out. What if the kid lives with me during the week and he lives with you guys on the weekends? I mean, we could just, No, wait! Joyorama! Warning, extreme kissing and hugging ahead. Flip at your own risk. Ready? Enough! Now get out of here before I change my mind! Huh? Chapter 6. A bunch of stuff that happened next. Meanwhile, back at Cat Jail, Big Jim was getting ready for bed.
Hey! How come we have to carry you, Piggy?
Because I'm the brains of this squad. I can't waste my energy on menial tasks like walking. Now buzz off while I work my magic.
But how are you going to do it, Piggy? How are you going to turn him into a cupcake?
I'm not gonna turn him into a cupcake. I'm going to hypnotize him. Then we can make him do whatever we want. Watch and learn, chumps.
You are getting sleepy.
Gee, I'm getting sleepy.
You are feeling suggestible.
Wow, I'm feeling some vegetables.
You shall obey our every command.
Hey, I'm gonna obey these weird voices in my head.
Hey, Crunky, I just got an idea. Come on. Hey, Kitty Cat, I've got a command for you. There's a speck of dirt in your left ear. Get rid of it.
Okay. Duh, hi, I'm Daryl the Mouse. Let's be friends.
Aha!
Hey, now that Piggy is gone, let's turn this cat into a cupcake.
Wait, I've got a better idea.
Oh!
Meanwhile... My papa didn't care about me at all, and I never saw him again.
Let's find him.
As a hopeful hero pierces the twilight, a nefarious new villain schemes in the shadows. Who is this new newcomer? And what new evil plans are up his newly pressed sleeves?
I'm not new! It's me, Dr. Scum! I was in the first book, remember?
Oh yeah, sorry about that.
Anyway, I've been designing an army of evil robots. I call them crime crabs. They're powerful enough to destroy the Earth. But can they defeat Dogman?
Chapter 7. Guess who's coming to breakfast? That morning before breakfast, Petey and his son started building a new creation, the Robo-Rat 2000. Are you finished building that mecha endoskeleton?
Almost. I just have to attach the cables. Doorbell!
I wonder who this is.
Petey?
I'm not Petey. I'm your grandson, Li'l Petey.
Dad?
Well, don't just stand there like a statue. Invite me in! Hey, nice place you got here, Junior.
Thanks for finding my grandpa for me. I owe you one.
Did you bring him here?
Yeah.
Hey, where is there food in this dump?
I mean, who? Me?
What's going on in here?
You shouldn't have put your dishes up so high. It's your fault they got broken.
I'll clean it up in a minute. Why did you bring him here?
I'm sorry, Papa. I just wanted you to have your Papa back.
My papa? That guy abandoned me. Do you have any idea what that feels like?
You abandoned me once.
You still remember that?
Yeah, and I forgave you.
Hey, where do you keep the air fryer? Oh, that one hit me.
Meanwhile...
Hello, I'm Sarah Hatoff with the news. Today, I'm gonna interview Chief.
Thanks, Sarah. It's a great day for the city because Dogman has finally learned how to focus.
You mean he doesn't go bonkers when you roll a ball anymore?
Nope. Allow me to demonstrate. Hey, Dogman, look, it's a ball. Who wants a ball? Who wants a ball? Doggy want a ball? Come on, get the ball. Who wants a buzzer ball? Ready? Go get it!
Oh...
Problem solved!
It appears as if Dogman's former obsession has become his greatest fear. This gives me an idea. Say goodbye to the crime crabs. And hello to the Burgle balls!
Meanwhile, at cat jail...
Hey, Bob. What did you whisper into this cat's ear last night?
Well, my friend, there's an old saying. If you turn a cat into a cupcake, you'll eat for a day. But if you turn a cat into a cupcake-themed superhero, you'll eat for a lifetime.
I love that old saying. Me too.
So all we have to do is wait for an emergency, and all of our cupcake dreams will come true.
Help! There's a fight!
Oh?
Watch out, meanies! Chill out, crime! It's Commander Cupcake time! Die!
Wow! Commander Cupcake broke up that fight! Amazing! And now he's eating every cupcake in sight! Impressive! He's the hero we all deserve! We got cake! We got frosting!
Check out the size of this sprinkle!
This is the best day of my life! Chapter 8. The Old Man and the Seafood Crackers. Meanwhile...
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm making a boat for my friend Flippy. He's in jail now, but
All right. I didn't ask for your life story, Jabberjaw. Now, pick up those crayons. What are you trying to do? Kill somebody?
No,
Who wants some seafood crackers?
I do. Thanks, Papa.
Do you want some, Dad?
What are you trying to do? Poison me? Who taught you how to cook?
You shouldn't have done that, Grandpa.
Why? What do you care?
He's my Papa. I love him.
Yeah, well, suit yourself. I've never felt any love for that hothead.
Love isn't just something you feel, Grandpa. Love is something you do. Sometimes you gotta do it first, then you feel it.
Who asked you?
Meanwhile, you need to let me down.
But Piggy, you're my new best friend. I'll never let you down, buddy.
No, I mean put me down.
But it's not nice to put people down.
Look, Daryl, I've had just about enough of... Wait a minute. Maybe this isn't such a bad idea after all. With my brains and your wings, we could be an unbeatable team.
Wow, just like superheroes.
Wait, what?
We'll spread sunshine and joy wherever we go.
No, we won't.
Hey, I just thought of a great name for our team.
It better not be something stupid.
The Friendly Friends.
That's the dumbest name I ever heard.
Watch out, Reddit. Here we come. The Friendly Friends will save the day.
That doesn't even rhyme. No. Meanwhile,
I've done it. I finally finished building my army of Burgle balls. Now it is time to unleash them. Is everyone ready? Good. Let's roll.
And not for whom the ball falls. It falls for all y'all.
Chapter 9. Burgle Balls Attack.
Hey, what's going on down here?
We're building the Robo-Rat 2000.
Let me guess. You're the smart one with all the ideas, and he's the mooch who's riding on your coattails.
Why don't you mind your own beeswax, Dad?
Why? What you gonna do? Cry? You should have seen this big crybaby when he was your age. Wah! Wah! Did he ever tell you about his tail?
That's enough, Dad.
Come on! Haven't you ever wondered why your tail is round at the end and his tail is flat? Go on! Tell him what happened!
Knock it off, Dad.
Why? Are you afraid he won't love you anymore when he finds out what a loser you really are?
We interrupt this dramatic scene with breaking news.
A big bunch of Burgle balls are on the loose. Let's roll the clip.
Help! My diamond rings got burgled.
And...
Help! My Moloch got burgled.
Help! My skateboards got burgled. My candy and gum got burgled.
My fake Judy and whoopee cushions got burgled too.
Soon... Hello?
Hi, I'm Dr. Scott. I'm taking over the city, and Dogman can't stop me.
Dogman, there's a new villain in town.
I'm not new.
You must stop this new threat to society.
Come on, I was in the first book.
Go catch a new bad guy.
Seriously, I got really big role in chapter 2.
And so...
Oh look, here comes Dogman. He'll stop those pesky Burgle balls.
But...
Uh-oh.
We gotta go save the world, Papa.
Hey, that's a good idea. You guys should go. Make me proud, son.
And so... Chapter 10. Do Good.
My Burgle balls are returning. What presents have you brought me?
Ooh, diamond rings. Awesome. Cold hard cash. I love it. Skateboards? Wait, what? Candy and gum? Fake doodle and whoopee cushions?
What do I look like? A 5-year-old? Bad Burgle balls! Bad! Bad! Now get back out there and Burgle me something age appropriate!
And so...
Here they come, Papa. If we're gonna stop those guys, we all have to work together. I'll be right back. Hi, Dogman. It's me. I know you're scared, Dogman, but the city needs you. You're a good boy, Dogman, but that doesn't mean very much. Look around. This city is filled with good people, but none of them are doing anything. It's not enough to just be good. We gotta do good. Even if things get scary, even if we face fast time or 1,000 fast times, evil shall not prevail! Because we're not just gonna be good, we're gonna do good! Gee, I sure wish ADHD was here. Okay, Papa, get ready! Here come the Supa Buddies!
Flip, baby, flip. Ready? Chapter 11. The Very Hangry Raterpillar.
Soon, the very hangry Raterpillar chased the last remaining Burgle ball straight to Dr. Scum's laboratory. Haha! Rats! All of my Burgle balls got eaten up! But no worries, that Raterpillar is no match for my Colossal Bot 2000! Mwahahaha! It's Robo time! Go shoot! The Colossal Bot 2000 attacked, and the fight was on! Flip it, don't rip it. Ready? The battle was intense, but fortunately, the very hangry Raterpillar had an appetite for destruction. Chapter 12. A Farewell to Arms. You may have won the battle, but watch out! Here comes the war! Petey and the very hangry Raterpillar were now encased in a charcoal tube. And nearly everyone on the street below was horrified.
Don't worry, nearly everyone. I think I know what's going to happen.
So you think you've got it all figured out, huh, kid? Well, I've got 4 new armies. See? I keep them on my sleeves. Get it? Armies? Sleeves? Come on, seriously? Did you like my arm joke?
Nope, it was a pit.
Hey! I make the corny jokes in this book!
Meanwhile, special exhibit, the Hope Mood Ring, rare and ancient, warning, may be cursed.
Okay, dear, here's the plan. You're going to lower me down to that museum, and I'm going to steal the world-famous Hope Mood Ring. But Piggy, we can't steal. We're the friendly friends. Did I say steal? I meant protect. You see, a bunch of robbers are gonna try to steal it, and we have to foil their evil schemes. Awesome! For the shiny! Right. Now lower me into that vent, and don't pull me up until you get my signal. Okay.
There it is! Behold, the Hope Moon Ring. Come to Papa! I've got it! What could possibly go wrong? Meanwhile... The terrified cries for help echoed across the rooftops and fell upon the ears of a hungry hero. Oh! Chapter 13. Commander Cupcake returns. As the soft pink dusk of twilight blankets the city, one vigilant soul heeds the sounds of despair and bravely responds, masked in the deep shadows of the surrendering sun, and armed only with an unquenchable appetite for cupcakes. Our spunky spark of sprinkles barges forth, where even the most valiant fear to tiptoe.
That's not really helping.
Meanwhile, off in the distance, encased in a silent sepulchre of cinders, a startling transmogrification crackles to life from its carbon chrysalis. Oh, come on! I totally knew this was gonna happen! But then... Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry! Come back! No, wait! Stop! Uncle Larry! No! And then... Hey, new guy! My new Raterfly is even newer than you! I'm not new! I'm not new! I'm not new! Oh yeah? Well, maybe you're not new! But you're gonna need a new robot! You'll never catch me! Whoa! Hey, look! That cupcake-themed superhero just captured the new villain! How'd you do it? Well, And look! He just captured Piggy!
And he's recovered the stolen Hope Moon Ring!
Gee, it's too bad he didn't capture all of the fleas.
Yeah, I wonder whatever happened to Crunky and Bob.
Here they are! Did we miss anything?
Yes, sure did! Commander Cupcake just solved the crimes of the century!
Hooray for Commander Cupcake! Wait, what? Chapter 14. The Mud and the Stars. Okay, let me get this straight. You just eat cupcakes? That's all you do? Yup. How is that a superpower? Never question a cupcake, for its powers are delicious forever. Amen. That doesn't even make sense! Let's go. Yeah, I know, it's Friday night. I'll bring him over in an hour, okay?
Bye, everybody. Let's all play again tomorrow, okay? What's wrong, Papa?
It's not fair. We did all of the work, and that cupcake guy got all the credit.
It doesn't matter, Papa. Everything still worked out okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You're Mr. Rainbows and Unicorns.
And lollipops.
Alright, be my guest. Keep your head up there in the stars. The only problem is, there's a lot of mud down there, pal.
Hey, look! There's Grandpa. Where's he going?
Beats me.
Where did he get that truck?
I have no idea.
Well, we're home. Hey! What happened? Where's all our stuff? Our computers are gone. Our tools are gone. The tables and chairs are gone. The couch and the TV are gone. The refrigerator and the oven and the food. Our beds. Our books. My toys. Did Grandpa do this?
Look, kid, that's what I was trying to...
Hey! My comics! He took everything! But he didn't want my comics.
Let's go.
Where?
You're gonna stay at Dogman's house this weekend, remember?
But Papa...
No, We made a promise and we're gonna keep it. And so...
You were right, Papa.
About what?
The world. It's a horrible place. It's nothing but mud puddles and pollution and weeds. And look, Papa, they're dying. Even the weeds are dying.
Hey kid,
What?
look up. Remember when we were up there and the stars flying around?
Yeah.
That was fun. Remember how I got all mad?
Yeah.
That darn Cupcake guy! He got all the glory! I hate cupcakes from now on!
You're funny, Papa.
Hey, you know what?
What, Papa?
I'm glad that Grandpa left your comics behind.
Why?
Because now I have something fun to read this weekend. You wanna know something, kid?
What, Papa?
This world has a lot of problems, but it could never be a horrible place. Because you're in it. I'll come back on Sunday night to pick you up, okay?
Hey, Papa, you should stay with us this weekend.
No way, I'm going home. I've got big plans for that place.
But you don't have a bed to sleep in, or a pillow, or a blanket.
Sure I do. Our lab has tons of secret rooms filled with cool stuff. Now scram, go have fun.
Okay, bye, Papa.
The end. Sarah Hatoff News Blog. Commander Cupcake captures crooks by consuming carbs. Move over, Supa Buddies. There's a new superhero in town. Last night, Commander Cupcake amazed the world by single-handedly capturing not only the fleas, but an all-new villain named Dr. Scum. When asked to comment, Commander Cupcake said, "Ask not for what cupcakes can do for you. Ask what you can do for cupcakes." Amen. The mayor has declared today Commander Cupcake Day and is encouraging all citizens to help fight crime by eating as many cupcakes as possible. Cat burglar apprehended. An elderly cat was caught selling stolen goods out of the back of his rental truck last night. He was charged with possession of stolen property and totally missing the point of this book,
Wait,
said the elderly cat.
there was a point to this book?
Behind the Bars, an exclusive interview with a new villain.
This morning, I got a chance to interview Dr. Scum, the newest villain ever.
Q.
What's it like being a newcomer to the world of villainy?
A. I'm not new. I was in the first book. Q.
How has your newness affected your outlook on life?
A. I just said I wasn't new. What is wrong with you? I was in chapter 2. A lot. Q.
Have you thought about returning for a second shot at world domination?
A. I just did return. That was my second attempt. Why don't you people listen? Q.
Has the source of your newness been a...
A. This interview is over. Dogman is go. If you thought our adventure was over, you ain't read nothing yet. An all-new Dogman novel is coming soon on C-Ret the Reader, and it's going to be the best one yet.
Uncle Larry?
Hi, Daryl!
Notes by Jordan Harold. The title of this book and the titles of chapters 8 and 12 were inspired by the books of Ernest Hemingway. Panels 2 and 3 from page 50 are direct quotes from For Whom the Bell Tolls by Ernest Hemingway, who was a Supa cat lover. The Very Hangry Raterpillar was inspired by one of her all-time favorite books, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Big Jim was named after a 1970s action figure. Harold, who usually only illustrates these books, helped write the story for this one. One of the themes of this book was inspired by Harold's favorite short poem. Two men looked through prison bars. One saw mud, the other stars. Author unknown, but variations are often attributed to Dale Carnegie and/or Reverend Frederick Langridge. This is your friendly reminder to be a Supa Buddy. Always remember to do good.